Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Utando Nestembu. Please do excuse the voice, we have a bit of a flu today. Now, there is a voice note that has been circulating. A voice note is the voice Yaga Macele. Macele inviting people to a wedding. Remember, Umshengu said this was a Thanksgiving appreciation, but Macele had invited people to a wedding. This created drama in the family and there was discussion in the table. However, Umseleku is on the side Yaga Macele with this one and believes ukuthi Macele will never do such a thing. Khumalo, Umangwabe, no Mayeni decided to stand up against what was being said on the table for her, like in a indirect way, trying to force them to meet number 5. And they said the house yakok flow must be respected and therefore no one is ready to meet number 5. At this rate, I think Umseleku is getting the unity that he wanted. Remember, Umseleku had always preached about unity amongst his wives. So there is unity, but unity is not the way Umseleku wants it to happen. Also, Umakwela, unfortunately, because of the wives were not ready to see her, she was unable to enter the gates. Zaga Mseleku. Ugel waphelela ngaphandle kwegate, bambona bamjabulela. She was so excited to finally be welcomed as Umakoti. Unfortunately, things did not happen the way they were supposed to happen. But for me, the pressure of Makwela being accepted like sputu putu sputu putu sputu putu, I think it's either a girl is pregnant or there's something huge that is happening. But also that something huge could only be pregnancy, because remember Ugutumseliku's dream is to have as many children as possible. I don't know. What did you guys think about the episode? Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Most of all, please make sure that you share so that this video can attract a lot of subscribers in our YouTube.